Less than 8% of homeowners in Rooikraal sell their homes every year.
Let's go see if we can find out why that is.
For quick and easy daily needs, pop into the Rooikraal shopping centre, where there's a butcher, convenience store, a liquor store, a hairdresser, and even a local watering hole. The highly acclaimed Laerskool Rooikraal is loved by parents, teachers, children alike. Medical emergencies are taken care of 24 hours a day at Medipark. They also have a dental side. Unwind at the Panorama Golf Range and hit a couple of balls. And if that's not your thing, just join up next door at the Uitzicht Squash Club if you enjoy that. Gateway Shopping Centre has some of the local favourites like the Food Lovers Market, Meat World, Liquor City, and a brand new Value Co. Across the road is a KFC drive-thru, and the Oriental City, where you go to buy one thing you need and leave with 10 things you don't. Families love it here. Wide streets, big gardens, and lovely open spaces where you can still run around and play.
Hi, I'm Charles Nienaber, local real estate agent in Centurion, and I believe all of the above is what makes Rooikraal great. Would you live here?